Experiencing sticker shock from your property tax bill can be frustrating, especially when you feel the assessment is too high. You gather your evidence, present your case, and anxiously await a decision, hoping for a lower bill. But what happens if, despite your best efforts, your property tax appeal is denied? If your initial property tax appeal is denied, it does not mean your journey ends there. The direct answer is that you typically have further options, usually involving escalating your appeal to a higher authority within your local or state government. It is important to remember that this process can often have multiple stages, each with its own deadlines and requirements. The reason for these multi-tiered appeal systems is to ensure fairness and provide a comprehensive review of complex property valuation issues. Local tax authorities understand that disagreements can arise, and they establish these steps to allow property owners to present their case thoroughly. This structure allows 4 different levels of review, often moving from a local board to a state-level tribunal or court, offering fresh perspectives on your property's assessment. To proceed, first, carefully review the denial letter for specific reasons for the rejection and instructions on the next steps, including any deadlines for further appeals. Next, consider strengthening your evidence. This might mean gathering more comparable sales data for similar properties in your neighborhood, particularly those that sold recently and for lower amounts than your assessment suggests. You might also identify any inaccuracies in your property record that you overlooked in your initial appeal, such as incorrect square footage or a missing feature like a garage. If you have not already, obtaining a professional appraisal from a certified appraiser can provide a strong, independent valuation to support your claim. Finally, prepare to present your case to the next level, which might be a state-level board of equalization or a tax court, understanding that the formality of the hearing may increase at each stage. A key insider tip is to check if your jurisdiction offers a mediation program before a formal hearing. Mediation can sometimes resolve disputes amicably without the need for a full adversarial process. Also, be aware that deadlines are extremely strict in property tax appeals. Missing a deadline typically means forfeiting your right to appeal for that tax year, so mark all dates on your calendar. Many jurisdictions also allow you to inspect the assessor's records for comparable properties they used, which can provide valuable insight into their valuation method. Navigating a denied property tax appeal can seem daunting, but by understanding the multi-stage system, gathering stronger evidence, and meticulously adhering to deadlines, you empower yourself to pursue a fairer assessment. Continuing the appeal process gives you the best chance to potentially lower your tax burden, ensuring your property is valued accurately and preventing you from overpaying for years to come.